Welcome back, learner buddies. Today topic is not related to science or not related to the worldly study. Today's topic is related to you only. So basically, today's topic is dedicated to you who is actually watching this video and who need that topic in the life. Before just getting start this topic, because this topic is related to the mental health, I am just clearing this thing in the initial phase of the video, that if you're watching this video and if you think that you need this video, that doesn't mean you are mentally not stable, that you are not so good enough, that you are not good for this world, and you are different from others, and this thing is related to pinching you or whatever the things negative point of view. That is nothing like this. This video is only for the purpose of your well-being. That's it. So let's start off this topic, that is a mental health. Basically, like your physical health is important, in the same way your mental health as well, because your mind matters, and because you are very much important. So that's why this topic is dedicated to you. This session is a safe space because you are not alone, and I'm here for you, not only for help but also to guide you. So, definitely, with a bright smile, let's start this topic with an enthusiastic manner, and not with a heavy heart, of course, but with an open heart to learn something new and to find a ray of a hope. Let's start this topic. Okay. So first of all, you have to understand about it. What is the mental health? Basically, mental health is how about you feel, how you think, how you handle ups and downs in the life. Mental health is not about only to feel good and to be and cherished by every moment. It is about that how you feeling the whole thing that is actually present in your life. Mental health affect your relationships, your workplace, your overall well-being, your friendship, and your other relationships. So that's why mental health is very important topic to discuss. Now, let's talk about why it is important. Why we are topping suddenly this topic, that mental health. All of a sudden, all of a blue, why we are studying this topic, mental health, why it is important. If you know that thing, that a strong mind builds a strong life, then you know that why this topic is important. It's just important like your physical health, like whatever the knowledge that you are gaining day to day life. That's why the same manner mental health is also very important to understand about it. Let's normalize it and let's take care of it. Basically, good mental health helps you to enjoy the life, to cope up with the stress, to connect with the others, to handling the bad situation, to overcome from the hardship time, and many more things with bright smile. That's why mental health topic is very important. So now you have to understand about what are the signs that of the mental health struggles. If you have any of these signs, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. I already mentioned that thing. Basically, let's start this thing. It is very okay. It is a normal to not be okay. It is okay to not be okay, but it is also okay to seek the help, to gain the knowledge about the things, and to feel helpless sometime, and you need help at that particular moment. It's okay to feel all these things. Basically, when you feel overwhelmed, anxious, and sad for a longer periods, that means this is not only sadness, this is mental health struggle. If you are troubling sleeping, if you lost interest things that you love, something that you already adore, something that you already cherished about something, you don't love anymore these things, you lost interest all these things, that means you are struggling somehow. Feeling isolated, that you don't want to meet up your friends, you don't want to go out, you are struggling also in a daily task, you are not good in speaking, you are not good in coping up with other people. This is all about the struggles of the mental health. If that is happening into your life as well, then let me know, we'll help that thing. Today's session is related to these problems, not only these problems but also the solution part as well. So let's talk about the solution things. And first of all, let's talk about common myths and the fact about the mental health. Because the truth about the mental health is important, because the truth about the mental health is simple. It's matter because as so do you. So let's talk about the myths and facts. Somebody say that mental health issues are rare. No, out of four people, one people actually feel that experience mental health challenges. Myth is that just be positive and you will be okay, you will be fine, only you have to be positive in your life. But that is not true. The fact is that mental health struggle needs care, need more attention, more ways to open up the things. Not just good vibes, positive vibes are going to solve this problem. Myth is that therapy is only for the serious problem. Not at all. Therapy is for everyone. Therapy is for everything. It's like the gym. It is a gym for your mind. Like you go to the gym for the physical activity, therapy is a kind of a gym for your mind only. So this is all about the common myths and facts that people think about it, but you don't have to be worried about it. It's completely normal to share all these things with others as well. Let's talk about the what steps that we can achieve for healthier mind. There are lots of things that you can do that, related to the self care, actually add up the healthier and happier life to you. There are some points I'm going to give you as a trick as well. Go and get some rest, enough rest. Whether you just want to go to the sleep at the end of the day, just relax your mind at that moment. Just try to not think about the past, just don't live in the past. Moreover, just listen some meditative music or calming music or calming tones and get some enough rest. Second thing, do the things that brings you joy, whether now you like it or not, but find out the things that is actually giving you happiness. This is actually a one point where you think about life is not as much bad as you think about it. So you have to find out the things which gives you joy, happiness, and do all these things. Third thing, that to talk about your feeling with me, with your parents, with your best friend, or with the other person that which who can you rely on. Talk about the things, don't bottle them up. Actually, this is not a thing that to be preserved in your heart. This is the things that you have to be discussed in front of the loved one. Fourth thing is very important. Stay active, like walk, dance, yoga, other things like related to physical activity, running, walking, and listening music while dancing, going to the gym. That means going to stay active at all. These steps actually, these small steps and on the consistent manner, these steps is going to help you a lot. And with the instant of time, like in 15 or 20 days, you will get, literally you are going to get the result at some after of time. Let's talk about the power of the connection, that why connection is important. Basically, a simple conversation can make a big difference. Now I'm talking to you and you are listening to me, that also impact your mental health, that also give you a positive vibe, that a positive ray of hope. So basically a simple conversation also give very much big difference. Reach out your friends, family members, and the supporting groups, that is communities and other things that is related to the mental awareness. Go to that, listen their things, and get participate into the conversation. Go for a communication with friends and other things. These actually have a lots of impact on the mental health. And another thing, you don't have to go through this alone at all. That is not a thing, that you are not suffered. You are not here in this life to suffer only and being alone at just stressing out the things and just living the hell out of the life. No, you don't have to do this thing. This is very common thing. You are not alone in this. You have to find someone, you have to get someone that you can rely on, and that's very important. Actually, healing begin with the conversation. I started this topic, this conversation. From now onwards, you have that platform to discuss about the things. Never underestimate the power of the connection and the conversation and the communication. These are the things that you really can rely on, and that is very important to overcome from any of the solution. If you share a problem with someone, that half the problem is already have done. That what else you need, other things that is you needed at that moment, you need some solid solution. But after communicating with others, you'll definitely get some solution. That's 100% surety. So get some person, build a connection, because that is the thing that you can do at the first instant. Now, if I talk about how you can manage your stress and anxiety, basically the one very common exercise, that is deep breathing. Like in the morning time, you don't have to do any chores at all. Don't go to the chaos kind of daily routine at the first instant in the morning. Just wake up, like as your normal time is 5, just wake up at the 4:45 and do the deep breathing. These are simple exercises which actually impacts a lot. Do that breathing and mindfulness. Deep breathing is one of the very good exercise, and just listening the calming music around yourself is very good thing. And second thing that is gonna be help you, take breaks. And very important, unplug the screen. Don't use phone, don't use laptops, don't use screen at all for some time, like 15 minute, 20 minute, 30 minute. If it is difficult for you to start it with 5 minute, cut down the screen time. And then just talk to yourself, and just to walk with yourself. All these things are very important to you. And third thing, that is write down your thought. It is a very good thing that if you write down your problem, that half the problem is already done. Like similar manner, if you get conversate with the other persons, actually your mind deserves kindness, and you are the only person who could help you, because you and only you know the problem here. Nobody else going to help you, and nobody else going to come out of this problem. So you have to do this for yourself. When to seek help, my next question would be there, that when to seek problem, and when to seek the help. First of all, you have to find out the problem. Talk to a therapist, counselor, and trusted person, whoever you trust, whoever you can rely on, like your friend, your best friend, your family member, maybe your father, your mother, your grandfather as well. Asking for help, because it's not a weakness, it's a wisdom. It's very important for you to understand about it. And seeking help is a sign of strength. It is not a weakness at all. If you are thinking about this, everyone is going to be make fun of you and think about that you are a weak, that you are seeking help, and you are just need help, that means you are not so good enough. No, that is not at all. That means you are analyzing yourself. You are so wise to understand about your problem. You now know about your problem. Then only you are just thinking about to seek some help. This is not all about the weakness. This is not at all weakness. This is a strength only. And third thing, helpliness and online support are available. You can find the counselor and the therapist online. You can contact me also. I am also a good counselor to take care of the people and to take care of the mental health as well. As well, you can find other problem solver like therapist and counselor online as well. And if you really need something, then just let me know. I'll be there for you. Now, second thing, that maybe you are not facing this problem, maybe, and that's very good thing. That's a really, really good thing that you are not facing these kind of problem. But spreading awareness is very important, because you might know that maybe your best friend, or maybe your friend's friends, and maybe your cousin, maybe your other relatives, or maybe your neighbor are just facing this problem. So spreading awareness is very important. when we talk about the mental health, we break the silence and build a community which actually cares. Let's break this particular stigma and talk openly about the mental health. Mental health is not the mental problem. This is moreover like a mental recognition, which is important. Together, we create a kinder world, more supportive world, and a community who cares about the people, who cares about the things that is actually needed to care. So basically, check in on your friends or your family members, relatives, and your neighbors, and whoever need this problem solver thing. Spread the awareness. Again, the same thing. Mental health awareness is not related to the mental problems that some people are mental or some people are not good enough. Some people are lack of the mind. No, these things are not like that. You don't have to be think about it. This is moreover like that. These people need mental awareness. These people need mental support. That is the meaning of the mental health. So you have to understand it first. If you are facing problem, let me know. But if you don't have, that's a very good thing. If you don't have that problem, really, that's a very brilliant thing. But also, after this thing, learning, then you have to spread the awareness as well. So basically, your mental health matters, your story matters, and at the last, so do you. You also matter. Take care of yourself. You deserve the happiness, you deserve the kindness, you deserve the love, you deserve everything in this life. Your mental health matters. You are valued, you are loved, you are not alone at all. I am with you, in front of you. I am giving you the topic. This topic, I was actually choosing this topic very carefully, and that was a very wise decision for me to choose that topic because this is very important thing. Let's talk about it openly and that let's normalize this thing because these things matter. Mental health matter. Your story also matter to me. You matter to me. Every person in this world who is living in this holy world is actually living his best life. But the only condition he has to recognize this life. That is what matters also. And I hope that gives you a ray of the hope which I really want to provide you. I hope that topic would be very helpful for you and your loved ones as well, going to get help from this topic. If you think that any problem that you think that any person in your life that he's suffering from the mental health or he's stressing out, he's not good, he's actually pale day by day, he's not in a good condition, in a good physic also, so you can share this video to that person so you can help to this particular person who needs my help as well. If you don't have words to share about it, no problem. Share this video to the person. Definitely, this video help that person as much as it helped to anyone. So that is all about the mental health. Let's do this thing openly. Let's cover up this topic openly. Let's help others. Let's make this place, make this world a better place to live. Because again, the same thing. Everyone matters. I just started with the same thing and I'm going to end up with the same thing. I am discussing this particular topic, mental health, with you. That doesn't mean that anyone that in this world is mentally unstable. That's not at all. Mental health is related to the mind. As we need a physical health, then only we also need mental health awareness as well. This is as normal as the physical health. This is not all about the mental instability. This is not all about the mental problems that everyone are ashamed to share about it. This is all about the mental awareness, mental care, and the mental health, which actually is very important in the life. You are not alone in this journey at all. I am here with you. And if you really want to connect these things and if you really want to get out of the things, let me know about one thing that whatever you need in your life, let me know this thing and connect with me. And anyone who is around you who need this topic, do you think that okay, that problem is not good for her or his mental health, then let's share this topic with the person and I would be more than happy to help with the person. I hope you get a blessing from this topic, which I really, really want to share. I just try to share the happiness with you. That's all. And this topic is the key of a ray of hope to you and to the others as well. Thank you so much for listening me, and also thanks me later for the very best mental health at all. Bye, and yeah, that is all. Take care of yourself.